jumpstart today going over John 4:10. It's about the Samaritan woman who's at the well when Jesus asks her for a drink. She doesn't have a clue who he is. The scripture says, Jesus answered and said to her, "If you knew the gift of God and who is saying to you, 'Give me a drink,' you would have asked him and he would have given you living water." Okay, there's a lot to think about here. In Jesus' answer, "If you knew the gift of God," well, this tells us how important it is to know the incredible gift that God is. So we should put ourselves into a position to hear and pay attention so he can become familiar to us. But listening and learning is only one part. We still have to uncover a willingness in our hearts to be open to receive the gift. In the second part, how in the world could the Samaritan woman have possibly known who was saying to her, "Give me a drink"? You can't recognize the voice of someone you don't know, right? So this just clarifies to us that God, like he was doing at the well, is always looking for opportunities to reveal himself. What he wants us to see is that if we know him, we will recognize his voice when he speaks to us. And if we are so familiar with him that we recognize his voice, we will also know the magnitude and abundance of the gifts he wants to give us. Then all we need to do is ask him. So today, let's do that. Let's ask him to open our hearts, not just a little, but all the way. Because to have his gift of living water is to have an endless supply of all we need. Now let's go make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.